on facts.
Do exist.
You want to debate on law and order?
Please, Mr. Brand, please allow me to speak. You have made your point.
Mr. Salim, Rahul, if you want to indulge in a debate about how to solve and how to discuss an issue, this Mohammed Salim, I can well understand, the chips are down, every election is being lost, so you are getting desperate and you are getting personal. Stop being personal, for God's sake.
No, but Mohammed Salim, you need to respond to this. How is it that Kishan Ji is able to speak to the entire country's media on his GSM mobile phone, the signal for which can be tracked very easily? Why is it that despite this technology being available, the CPIM government is unable to find this man? The entire country is wondering tonight whether the CPIM actually wants to get to the Maoists or not, because if you're serious, then you'd be able to get him really quickly. His phone is on, he's speaking to everyone, that number hasn't changed. You can track, if you're serious, where the signal's coming from.
Come on, answer the question.
Right.
Answer the question,
Rahul.
Mr. Mohammed Salim.
Right, Rahul, I think this fellow will allow me to complete.
Go on,
this is a good
Mr.
question,
Salim, answer that
and
question.
he should allow. Ask him to stop, and then I'll say this. Now, one, you know he is operating from a forest, Jungle Mahal, not in the urban areas of Delhi or Calcutta. Secondly, these mobile telephones are being tracked, and that's why all the time Mamata Banerjee is saying that my telephone is being tapped. Thirdly, even you know the location exactly, as you knew the location of Birappan, it's not easy just you go and arrest him. But
No, there is no comparison. Birappan was not using mobile phones. He wasn't speaking to the country's media. You cannot draw parallels over there. Here's a man who's using the phone, you can track the signal and where it's coming from.
Rahul, Mr. Kamath is a police officer, he knows. Even you know the location that in this forest he is occupying.
Okay, let me get Mr. Kumawat. Okay, you're saying Mr. Kumawat is the expert. Mr. Kumawat, given the fact that this mobile phone is constantly on and is being used to converse with supporters and with the media, do you believe that it's possible for the state police, if they are serious in their intent, to go out and nab Chatadhar Mahato in a matter of hours?
I'll only mention that, technology provides solution to this type of problem.
Okay, so go on, elaborate. If you were heading this operation, if you had the mandate to go out and find this man, do you believe that it's possible to get Kishan Ji or not, given the fact that his phone is on?
I'll not mention about Kishan Ji or anybody, but in case a person is using mobile, these days it is possible to pinpoint his presence where from the person is speaking.
There you go. Mohammed Salim, take that for a response coming from a security expert. He says, you know where that phone is, it's on, it can be tracked. Your government is not doing so seriously.
The highest authority from the joint force, from the Bengal police and the central force, they are tracking. We know where, in which jungle he is hiding, in the border areas of Jharkhand and Bengal, and the operation is on. We are encircling. That's why they are so desperate. That's why, including their supporters and so-called human rights and political covers also, they are trying to dislodge this operation, and they are saying withdrawal of the central force. But he will be arrested, as Chatadhar Mahato was arrested, tracking the mobile phone, and he is constantly changing. Every hourly they are changing the locations, but still we are being encircling, and very soon he will be arrested. Take this word, and he will not be let off. And that's why this operation drama was on. This railway hijack was on, because they want to detract this. Yes, day before yesterday also he was encircled, and now we are closing down and zeroing on. And he will be arrested.
Everybody knows.
That's why
you
they are
asked your
seeking help
forces
and
to come
protection
back. Last time you encircled him, you called your forces back. Right now, on national TV, you're making a promise saying, in a matter of a few hours or days from now, you will nab Kishan Ji. We'll hold you against this. For the moment, Mohammed Salim, ML Kumawat and Derek O'Brien, thank you very much for participating in the center stage face-off. All we can hope for is that we leave politics on the side, because that's really important. And as Mr. Kumawat said, India needs to stand up as